Gold prices held unmoved in Shanghai and London trade Tuesday, showing no change for the week so far, while silver hit one-week lows. Platinum dropped 2.1% from yesterday's three-week high, and sister metal palladium slid 8.7% from Friday's dramatic short squeeze spike after bearish betting by speculative traders in Nymex futures and options set yet another record. Finding over 4/5 of its end use from autocatalyst demand to reduce harmful emissions from gasoline engine vehicles, palladium today retreated to $940 per troy ounce. That's barely one-third the record prices hit during the post-COVID supply squeeze of 2021 and then the all-out invasion of Ukraine by Russia, palladium's #1 mining nation, in early 2022. The total share of petrol and diesel cars sold in Europe last month fell below 50%, trade association Acea said last week. But May also saw battery electric vehicles, which don't require any palladium or other platinum group metal catalysts, fall to 12.5% of new car sales, down from 13.8% 12 months before, and confirming the slowdown in BEV adoption. Hybrid electrics, in contrast, primarily combining electric power with a petrol engine needing a palladium or platinum autocat, grew from 25% to nearly 30%. Latest data from US regulators, the CFTC, delayed until Monday by last week's Juneteenth holiday, show that net of bullish bets, bearish betting against palladium by speculative traders reached its third new all-time record in a row last week. In a market where end-user demand is forecast to outstrip global supply by 35.1 tons in 2024, the negative managed money position recorded last Tuesday equated to 50.0 tons of bullion, almost twice the size of the SPEC's average net bullish position since 2006. That CFTC data, tracking trader positioning in the CME derivatives, exchanges Nymex palladium futures and options contracts, was taken as the precious metal hit a 360-week Tuesday low at $872 per troy ounce. From there, palladium prices in the spot market then spiked by 18.1% to Friday afternoon's peak at $1,030. Dealers in the physical palladium market last week reported growing demand to borrow the metal, suggesting fresh bearish betting through OTC contracts as well as through Nymex futures and options. The availability of palladium bars was especially tight in London, adds Reuters, citing industry sources. Trading volumes in London's physical palladium market had already leapt in the week ending the 14th of June, according to trade data reported by members of the London Bullion Market Association, rising by 30.0% from the previous week, while gold trading slid by 14.7% with silver and platinum volumes little changed. Given palladium's significant deficit between supply and demand, says specialist analyst Wilma Swartz, head of Platinum Group Metals at data providers and consultancy Metals Focus, above-ground stocks have declined to their lowest levels in our records, dating back to 1980. Deficits are also expected in 2024 and 2025. This will further tighten liquidity and is likely to lift or support prices this year. Since early February, when the price of palladium bullion hit its lowest since August 2017 at $876 per troy ounce, the managed money's net bearish betting in CME Nymex contracts has grown by 1/4 to last week's fresh record high. Led by investment company Adrian's physical palladium shares product, the total size of palladium-backed ETFs worldwide has meantime risen to the highest since New Year 2019, according to data from Bloomberg. But those products as a group remain 4/5 smaller than their 2015 peak, and the second largest such palladium ETF, the closed-end Sprott Palladium product, ended last night at a discount of 3.3% to the value of the metal held in trust to back its shares, suggesting weak investor interest. Slower EU car sales in H2 2024 could drag on palladium demand, says German refining and precious metals technology group Heraeus. But platinum deficits between global supply and demand could be deeper than our base case, says the mining industry's World Platinum Investment Council, and palladium could take longer to enter surplus, should slower BEV adoption rates persist. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.